Broccoli pasta. So simple, so easy, minimal ingredients. Hi guys, it's Rose and welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan and another recipe video. So today we are going to be making a pasta using broccoli as our sauce. Okay. I love broccoli, so I'm pretty excited. If you are someone that struggles to eat lots of veggies, consider putting them into a pasta. And if it all works out, I will have a blog post linked below with the written recipe and ingredients and everything, so make sure you check that out. Now, not only are vegetables extremely important for our health, but so is proper supplementation, which brings me to Complement, who are very kindly partnering with me in today's video. So you guys have heard me talk about Complement before because it is my favorite multivitamin made for and by plant-based eaters. I am a plant-based eater. Yes, my friends, I want to make sure that all of my bases are covered, and sometimes certain vitamins are difficult to find on a plant-based diet alone. Even though a plant-based diet can be healthy for all stages of life, proper supplementation is necessary. This basically focuses on the key nutrients that might be difficult to find from a plant-based diet alone, and nothing more, nothing less. So it really just focuses on what you need and no extra fluff. So that's why I love it. It's basically designed for me, okay? It's designed for me. It's designed for people like you that follow either a fully or predominantly or heavily plant-based diet, and it just makes it super easy knowing that what I need is in here, okay? And it's created by plant-based people, so they know what they're doing, okay? So if you wanna try out Complement Essential, you can check out the link below and make sure you use my code CheapLazyVegan to get 15% off of your order. And to save more money, you can also subscribe so you get delivered your vitamins on a regular basis, and then you don't forget to take your vitamins, okay? Because that's very important. And they also have other awesome products, and today I wanna mention their daily green. So I've been taking this in the morning, just mixing it with some water, and this is a great way to complement your healthy diet. Sometimes it's difficult to get all the greens and all of the nutrients that you want. We cannot make broccoli pasta every day, you know what I'm saying? So if you are looking to basically bump up some of your green intake, then check out their daily greens. So again, you can use my code CheapLazyVegan to get 15% off. Grab these now, you guys. These will be linked below along with some other awesome Complement products. So thank you so much to Complement for partnering with me in today's video. Now let's get on to the broccoli pasta recipe.
All right, we're gonna get started by cutting up our broccoli into small pieces. Now, I am using the whole broccoli, including the stems, okay? Even though I bought the broccoli crowns, it still comes with the stem, okay? So we're just gonna use all of the stuff. Don't waste food. I don't like wasting food. We're not gonna waste any food. Now, if you don't like the stems, I'm gonna have to ask you to grow up, okay? You're just gonna have to grow up. In all seriousness, there's probably some way of cooking the stems that you might like, so look that up. Google. It's free. So while you're cutting up your broccoli, you're gonna want to bring a big pot of water to a boil. You're gonna put some salt in it, and when it comes to a boil, throw in that broccoli and let that come to a boil again. Basically, let it boil for about 5 minutes, and then just let that broccoli soften, okay? But don't throw away the water. Okay, and in the meantime, on a nonstick pan, add some olive oil. And then what we're gonna do is add some minced garlic. I like a lot of garlic. And also, if you want, you can add some crushed red chilies. Okay, that part is optional. The chili flakes are optional, but you know, if you want a little bit of kick, that's lovely. Okay, don't let the garlic burn. Just kind of let it cook in about medium heat or so. And you can basically do this while the broccoli is cooking. Okay, you see, you're gonna maximize that time efficiency. And then once the broccoli is cooked, you want to take a strainer and then just take that broccoli out and then just throw it into the pan along with a bit of that broccoli cooking water. And make sure you save that water. Just keep that thing boiling because you're going to cook your pasta with broccoli cooking water. You see? You're going to want to cook that broccoli down for about 10 minutes or so. We're really going to make it nice and tender. So while you're doing that, you could also cook the pasta because pasta takes around the same amount of time, okay? So once that broccoli is cooked, you can kind of like mash it gently with a fork. And you can basically mash it however much you'd like, depending on your own preference. If you want it to be more of like a puree, then obviously it needs a lot of mashing. And if you like the chunks, if you like a bit of bite, you could leave some of the chunks. Once the pasta is cooked al dente, you want to save some of that pasta water, drain the pasta, and then throw it into that broccoli mixture along with that lovely starchy pasta broccoli water that we just saved, okay? And then we're just gonna wanna mix this around, and now we can add some salt, some pepper, mix it up, give it a little taste, see how you like it. And obviously you can add more salt, more pepper, more whatever, according to your own taste buds. And at the very end, I like to add in some hemp or cashew parmesan. So basically any sort of vegan parmesan. I always have hemp or cashew parmesan in my fridge because it's so easy to make. I'll leave both of those recipes below, and I just kind of throw it into whatever pasta dish. And this was perfect. So it was so good. You can obviously add more parmesan if you'd like, more salt and pepper. I also would add some sort of a plant-based protein either on the side or into the pasta. So maybe some chickpeas, maybe some smoked tofu, some of my tofu bacon, or my crispy air-fried chickpeas.
Look at this! Broccoli pasta. So simple, so easy, minimal ingredients. Now I always say this, but I normally would add some sort of a plant-based protein, maybe some tofu, maybe some tempeh, maybe some chickpeas, whatever, to bump up the protein, or use like a protein-based pasta. Otherwise, I'm gonna be hungry, okay? Okay, let's try this. Gotta love just like the fresh taste of broccoli. It has like a really nice savory taste, like a deep taste, okay? It's so good if you like broccoli. Another thing you could do, take the broccoli, and if you don't want the chunks, which I kind of like the chunks, but if you don't want the chunks, you could just take some of that broccoli after you cooked it, and you can put it into a blender with a little bit of that broccoli water and then just blend it out a bit, and that way it'll like really become like a sauce. So simple, yet so delicious. It's super good. It's so good. And I highly do recommend using the hemp parmesan or cashew parmesan and adding that in. You could also just do nutritional yeast, but I think the hemp or cashew parmesan adds like a nice, nutty, delicious, savory flavor. And oh my God, like I feel like even kids would like this. I don't know. Pasta made with broccoli. It is a yay. It is a definite yay. It is delicious, simple, easy, just using pure, simple ingredients, okay? Nothing fancy, nothing crazy. You can make this on a weeknight when you don't know what to do. You just got some pasta, some broccoli in the fridge. I could even probably use frozen broccoli. I don't see why not. Delicious. Check out the recipe. It'll be on my blog linked below. Make sure you try this out. It is delicious. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And of course, make sure you check out Complement, okay? We got the Daily Greens and we got the Complement Essential. And of course, they got some other awesome products as well. And of course, you can use my code CheapLazyVegan to get 15% off of your order. So thank you so much to Complement for partnering with me in today's video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!